Good evening, friends. For a long time, I'm seeing you all. Today is Friday and 7th of March. The market is just finished for this week. The timing is 3:35 p.m. Uh, Today, I will talk about something which is very simple. Uh, you can call it a fairly accurate high probability setup, as that is a popular phrase of Western YouTubers. High probability setup, and a very simple. Anyone can master it. Okay. So before that, I would like to clarify a few things, keeping in view the new circular by the SEBI just a couple of months back. This is not a live market video, so that is why I clarified the date and time. This is just a purely educational video. We do not, I personally do not provide any calls of buy and sell it right from the beginning. Forget about the circular, because it is not so simple. The movement of the stocks or the index is so fast. Physically, it is impossible for anyone to give you any calls, right? So forget about that part. I am purely into mathematical analysis. There are two major branches. The first one is technical analysis. Second one is fundamental. I am on to something else. This is basically a research work which I would like to present before you. That's all. I'm not into PMS, not into any other like calls giving, or not associated with any of the broker. Nothing. I'm a pure single man, one man army, single entity, fond of maths. How I can correlate maths with the market. That's all. So let's go on chart straight away. And I would like to show you something uh, regarding this. Okay, now remember the points. It's very simple. Uh, what is important is 5-minute candle. This setup is based on 5-minute candle. Market hours are 9:15 from morning to 3:30 in the evening. So total 375 minutes. If you set a 5-minute chart, there are 75 candles of 5 minutes. Correct. Now, the first candle of the day is very important. Okay. The first, in some communities, it is said, how Bhagwan Che, open Bhagwan Che. So, open is just like a God. I would just change the phrase, first 5 minutes are God, just like the God. So, now we shall concentrate only on those script. Listen to me very carefully. The previous day, first 5-minute candle high was the high of the day. Now just let's start with this. IndusInd Bank. Previous day, this is the previous day. You can see 9:15. First 5-minute high was the high of the day. No another high was made above this in all the 75 candles, 5-minute candles of the day. And then on a present day, when the low of the previous day is broken, and today also the first 5-minute candle high is high of the day, you can, the word I use is can, you can get a bigger rally. Now, how much deep is the rally? It is around, you consider this previous close is 962. So 1% to 1.5% is the rally. Okay. So 1% will be around 10 rupees. So 962 minus 10 will be 952. And 1.5% will be around 15 rupees. So 962 minus 15, 947. And you could see within no time, the price came to 947. That's all. That's all. So once it is broken, and if the prices is going down, I will be using the word very carefully. When the trend is likely to have changed, when the first 5-minute high is broken and a new high is made. Simple. Again, I will recollect it. Previous day, first 5 minute candle high was high of the day. Today, when previous day low is broken, that time the first 5 minute candle high is high of the day. Price may run below previous day low minus 1 to 1.5%. And when this going down will turn up only when the today's first 5 minute high is broken. That's all. So these are the conditions to be seen. You will find many such scripts. Okay. Now, what to do, you know exactly, right? Let's see a second script. This was IndusInd Bank. Let's see Kalyan Jewelers. Again, previous day, the first candle high was high of the day. That was not broken. On current day, when the previous day's low is broken, and when the first candle is high of the day, price goes down. 447 around 4.50 minus 1.5% is around 650. Price may come up to 440, and within no time the price has come up to 440. Correct. A simple setup, especially when Nifty was bullish, this setup can be seen. Okay. Now, just to show how far the downtrend is strong, you can easily know, see on each succeeding red candle, the volumes are increasing. Just see the volumes corresponding. I will just make it bigger. You can see now, say this is the candle, the volume, that volumes are continuously increasing. So when it broke below, it was on a highest stage and you realize what it is doing, and you could say it. Now again, if you will see minutely, the movement can be either straightway, just like a falling of a stone in a water, it straightway goes down at the bottom of the pond, or it it goes down, comes up, goes down, and then goes down. You followed the difference? Here it was very steep. Here it is not steep. Here it lingered, it broke below, then again came up, broke below. So one can see ABCD pattern over here. What is ABCD pattern? The ABCD pattern is simple. If previous day first candle high is high of the day, then you draw the line at previous day's low. And then you wait. And then when the price breaks below that low and closes a red candle, if at that time the first candle high is only the high of the day, then now I will give you points to know this better. So drawing a line is A. It is done much before. Then closing a 5 minute candle below the line is B. Retesting, retouching the line is C. It doesn't matter whether a green candle touches, a red candle touches, whether a green candle closes above or below. No. So line is A, close below is B, retest is C, and another candle closing below is D. Now, this B, C, D, they may be in succession or they may not be in succession. There may be 2, 3 candles. Suppose this closed above, the next candle also closed above, the next candle also closed above, green, all those two. And then suppose this is the candle which closed below, still it's fine. So this is known as ABCD pattern. Let's see third one, Loda. Okay, Loda. So previous day, first candle high was high of the day. Today is when previous day's low is broken. That time the today's first 5 minute candle is high of the day. then this is A, B, C, and D. When you will say the trade is reversed about this, till then the trade is intact. You see 1132, roughly around 11 points is 1%, 1.5 is around 16 points, 17 points. 1132 minus 17 is 1152. Sorry, 1115. So it will come at around 1115. No, within no time it came to 1110. Simple. Okay. Next one. First, I will show you different scripts and then a word of caution, the precaution, right? Let's see this. Prestige. Previous day, first candle high was high of the day. You mark the low. Today, when previous day's low was broken, the first 5-minute candle high was high of the day. So this is B, this is C, this is D. Value is 1160. 1.5% will be around 18 rupees. 1160 minus 18 is 1142. Within no time, the price came to 1142. Simple. Okay, if someone wishes to stay longer, I mean, that is his. It depends upon person to person, his risk-bearing capacity, something like this. This pattern is valid only for that day. So directly, indirectly, I'm not suggesting any damn thing. This is of no use the next day. Okay, unless the systems are met, unless every point is met, there is no use. You cannot predict what shall happen on Monday. No, 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 absolutely no. Okay, let's go to the next one. Hindustan Petroleum. Now, Hindustan Petroleum, now we will see the cautions. The previous day, the first candle was high of the day. This was the line drawn. So this is A. Now watch it closely. This no candle closed below this. When this, the first candle that closed below is this 1210, almost 3 hours. So now rule number 1, up to what time one should look forward to breaking below the previous day low. It's very simple. You know, my mathematics is based on 26.11%. Okay. So the market timing is 9:15 to 3:30. So it is 375 minutes. Just calculate 26.11% of 375 minute and that comes to 97.91, 98 minute. So after market starts, before 98 minute, that should happen. If we will calculate 98 minute comes between 10:50 to 10:55 AM candle. Okay, so that is why the breakdown ideally should happen below 10:55, means the 5-minute candle which starts at 10:50 and closes at 10:55. Got it? Everything I have explained. Why 10:55? It is 26.11% of total timing. Now see, even though before 10:55, it dipped below, it never closed. The candle that closed is at around 12:10, much beyond 10:55. So you cannot, because see, why this restriction of 10:55? Because it needs time, at least a remaining 73.89% time to go down. Here it has got no time and that is why it didn't go down. Mark my each and every word very carefully. JSW Energy. Previous day high was this, that was the high of the day, this is high of the day, and then see when it was broken. 11:35. Now it depends upon percentage. Suppose now after this, if we want to see how far that shall go, it's very simple. It's very simple. Now it is unlikely to go. I mean, now since this is a very small script, 495, almost 5. So you can say that it can go because it's a small price script. Okay, so even though you consider 1.5%, 7.5, then also it can go up to 87. Just see, it has gone up to 86, 87. But had it been a big price script like Maruti, where 1% is too huge, okay, then only after, if the breakdown is after 11 10:55, then you can consider just a movement of around 0.5 to 0.75% afterwards. Okay. Next one, Dixon. See, previous day high was high of the day. This was the low of the day. Line is marked, and then see, broken, retest, broken, and then patience. And then 14209. So around 142 points from here, 1%. 2% will be around 210 points. So this can come up to 14,000. And see, here it has come below 13,965. Will be here. So this has come up to 13,965. Oberoi, again, now mark my words. This was the previous day high. This is high of the first candle. Just see, this is the first candle. 9:15 candle high was it. But actual breakout came at 12. So will you get the desired result? No, you won't. You won't. Of course, now you will get 1% around, so that may come around 30, and that has come around 30. See this. That's all. Okay. EU Bank. Okay. Now see EU Bank, previous day high, today's high. This was broken. Yes, see. So this is broken below. So this is B, C, and see, this is what I was trying to explain you. Drawing line is A. I will just magnify the picture. Close below is B, retest is C, and this is D. A, B, C, D, this is D. And then from here, around, you could see again the same, 1.5% is 550 plus whatever, it's 7, 8 rupees, and roughly around 40, 40, 41. See, you got it around 45, 40. Now this is Adani, okay? Adani Green. Now just see what has happened. Just see what has happened. This was the first candle of the day. This is the first candle of the day. It loitered quite a lot, and then it gave a late. I mean, this is what is B, C, and D. Price never broke above the first candle high. Okay. From there, only the downtrend would reverse. And then around 835, 8 plus 4, 12 rupees. 35 minus 12 is 23 rupees. So it can go up to 23, and that has gone up to 23, roughly around 23. See, that's all. Okay. Then now watch it closely. Jubilant, Jubilant Food. Previous day, first candle high, high of the day. This is low. This is first candle high of the day. So this is B, C, and D. And around 1 to 1.5%. 1.5 is around 9 rupees. So 605 minus 9 rupees is 596. 596. See, that is fine. Okay. ABB. Again, this chart is especially shown to you for some cautionary word. Okay, this was the previous day first candle high, high of the day. This is today's first candle high of the day, but now see what has happened. Okay, now see. Now you will say, Magesh, this is C, and this is, I mean, this is B, this is C, and this is D. No. See, the penetration, see the penetration over here. It's a big candle. See the penetration over here. See, it's a big candle. Okay, B, C, D, and then the penetration is this much big candle. See in this Loda. Okay, B, C, D, you're waiting and the penetration has happened. It's a big candle. See this prestige. Okay, see this. It's a big candle. And now just see ABB. What has happened? It has just kiss and go. Kiss and go. So the caution is the candle which is closing below the previous day low should be the major part of the candle. It should be a big candle and major part should be below the line, not like this. Here, someone would have tried, then this would not have been successful, right? Last chart of the day, Tech Mahindra. Just see this. Now here also, just now here, what has happened? BCD has never happened. Price never came back to BCD. So even though it has confirmed the norms, practically this is not possible because price never came back to the line. The line is A. We didn't find any B, C, or D. Okay. So this was a small observation in mathematical analysis. How I could found out the scripts. Okay. That is on a screener. You have to make a screener using your knowledge and you can find the scripts. Most of you are having my numbers also. I mean, WhatsApp as well as Telegram. If you want to know something more about it, you can contact me on Telegram. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.